I'm out here. Hey, I'm out here on the Elk River. This ain't the Elk River. I'm out here, Logan County, Mingo County line. I'm up here at the Logan County, Mingo County line. Hey. Hey, I'm out here on the Guyandotte River again. Elk Creek, Wilo County line, whatever you call it. If you know about it, you know what I'm talking about. This is a run you've probably saw me do a couple times. I'm out here solo today. It's a nice day. I got off work early. I got the sit on top. Just gonna take a couple hours, clear my head, paddle a little bit. Take you along with me. Oh, I'm still on time lapse. We ain't going that way yet, Bubby. I gotta get my camera off a time lapse. Let's go up here. The camera wasn't on time lapse, so that's good. Been in that little sit inside Pelican lately, and it kills my back. This thing is a Cadillac right here. Little swamp area, little river swamp. It's nice out. Wish we had a little bit more sunshine. But 70-some degrees in October. What more can you ask for, you know? Trying to pick my line. Coming over because yeah. Nice. Hey, little fishing lure. That would suck to come through these and get hung in fishing line, get a big hook to the lip.
Oh. That hurt to do that to you.
I don't even know if the camera picked up the one that was hanging like right here, but it's the only thing I could imagine, just coming through a rapid, that hanging from a tree, catch your lip. It's right around 3 o'clock when I put on. Plenty of daylight left. The water's nice today. It's not too cold. It's nice and clear. Something moving in the leaves. Probably a squirrel or something. Man, fall's really doing something for me this year. Really enjoying just all the colors, the weather, being outside. I really got kind of down when the season started to change, because I was thinking I wasn't going to get outside as much. I wasn't going to get to go kayaking. But honestly, I've been letting fall have it, man. I've been getting out here. Me and Mo have been paddling a few times. Getting out here today. We went camping. We went metal detecting. We're going to try to do some more of that. I'd like to get some hikes in. Stretch these legs. You can hang 14 hammocks in that area. All the flow on this rapid goes right under these trees. I'm going to bump over here. Let's either that or hit trees. So, I don't know if there is a right answer. I may still hit some trees. Now, slide back over here in the fun stuff. That's a rock. It's low today, but it's got good flow. I like it. It's above 4 foot, under 5 foot, somewhere in the middle. Murder. I'm gonna go far left under these trees. Last time Mo and I came up here, I took this little chute down the right it got stuck. So let's stay away from that today. Maybe I'll take this little chute. Oh, we're bumping. I figured I would. Decision time. We didn't take the chute. Or maybe we just took the different chute. Cool as rocks too. A big cool camping spot. Woo! Cut that one close. Comes. Got this life jacket at Walmart at the end of the summer. They had some stuff on clearance. Never heard of the brand. Was type 3. Got a lot of flotation in it. I thought it'd be a cool one to get. It was only 40 bucks. You can't beat that. It's even got one of these because you need that. But I put it on when I got it. I thought it fit weird. Mose wore it a couple times, and today I thought I'd try it out again. It just fits me weird. It like sits on my chest. I don't know, I feel like it should be lower on me. I tried lowering it and it just don't fit me that way. It just still slides up. as I rounded out the trip, I reflected on the day and how this little 2-hour paddle really helped me relieve some stress and clear my mind. The past couple years I've been seeking the outdoors, and in that, I think I've come to reinvent myself in a way. I feel like it has helped me focus on my life's priorities, my family, my friends, and my health. I hope I'm inspiring others to do the same. I just want to experience the world in the best way possible during the short time that I'm here with the people that I love. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.